Welcome from Two Way Direct, your #1 two-way radio dealer in the U.S. We not only offer the lowest prices guaranteed on all of our brand name products, but we also provide superior customer service to ensure that you maintain the best communications possible. As you or your business ramps up for the summer, we want to ensure that you can rely on your two-way radio equipment. That's why Two Way Direct offers flat rate radio repair pricing. Here are the levels. Level 1 includes most 1 to 2 watt business two-way radios. Level 2 includes 4 to 5 watt commercial grade radios without an LCD display. Level 3 includes 4 to 5 watt commercial or professional radios with a display. Level 4 includes 4 to 5 watt commercial or professional high-tier analog or digital portable mobile radios. Front panel recase and programming are not included in repair service. For more information on our repairs process and policies, please visit twowaydirect.com.